guys, Tom Chap here, and I got a new mic. I can now scream! Yeah! It's amazing! For best experience, sorry, I'm alone, but it's not at night. I don't have time to do it at night. I only have time to do it right now. So let's go. We're still playing some Amnesia Rain. I forgot to say that, but we're playing Amnesia Rain. Just give me a sec, needs to load and needs to do all that other crap. I was live streaming yesterday, so I don't know if I did not change the quality, so it might still be on terrible. Because the stories weren't working out too well yesterday. But now, hopefully they do. Okay, let's go, Amnesia, let's go! Yes. Texture quality is terrible. Other quality is terrible. That's fine. It's a little bit worse. I had to deal with it yesterday. I got some. That doesn't look like wood and metal. There's a violin. You're gonna have to deal with the bad texture qualities. I mean, I am. I don't know if you really know the difference, but I do. For one episode. After this, I'm gonna go and change it. Can't go through there. Nothing. Wait. Just a second. I play in windowed mode, so I can like quickly exit out of it and stuff. But it was not correctly centered and stuff. Like if I don't have it centered correctly, the toolbar shows and the sides, some of the sides show, so I want it to be perfect. So last time I think the crazy man locked himself in here. Crazy grunt priest. And I totally forgot what I needed to do. I watched a video on it, I'm pretty sure. I have no clue what I need to do. Hello, lions. Hello, how are you? Why am I using this? It's like not even a difference. Why was I using it? Yeah, what's in here? Ooh. We're going downstairs. Storage A. Wasn't it one of the key in one of the storage rooms? I don't know. Sometimes my grasp on this reality weakens and I find myself slipping into another world. I haven't played the story for almost a week. Yeah, almost a week. But now I have my new mic, and now I can actually play it. Now everything's perfect. Because my webcam mic is terrible. So now I disabled that forever. Oh crap. Why can't I use my lantern? I want to use my lantern. We're going to a storage area. Why is everything all blurry? Why can't I use anything? Hello? Let me peek around this corner. What the heck? Yeah, this wouldn't happen if I would have had a sanity potion. Oh, I guess I'm crazy too. This doesn't look like a storage room. No. This means water. Water. Shubidaboo. Large oil potion. That should hold me off for a while. Is this the story with that one thing? I don't even have a sanity potion. I only have loud enough. I am actually planning on redoing the original story. Flippity floppity. Once I get enough time to do like 10 episodes at once, I will do the original story. Because I haven't played that for the longest time. What was that? Another tinderbox. Is there something up here? There's something up here. There's something up here. I can just feel it. I feel like there's a secret. I feel like this thing's gonna break. That's what I feel. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this. It doesn't look like I'm supposed to be doing this. Let me just get my way back. Sorry. Oh, I really need that. I can't turn that off. It looks like you should be able to do something, unless if this door's locked and I actually need to come over here. No, it's not locked. Ugh. So many drugs. I bet Aaron's not here. Seems like a mechanical mechanism. Let's flip it up. Oh, this looks inviting. Ha! Nothing can get me now. Looks like I'm actually gonna have to use. Oh, there's a key. There's a key. Secret key, 2 out of 3. There's a rod. Shiny system rod and pull all the levers. Make it work. Down, up, up, up. That's right. Isn't it? Down, up, up, up. Label number 2. This is already right. I heard stuff though. No. No. Sorry. No. Just no. A super rare item. Oh, no, 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 no. I can't see you. There you are. I'm running. I'm running. No, you're in my way. I can't jump. I can't jump. Why can't I jump? How the fuck? No! Oh, I see. This is a way to get over here without, the whatever it is. No. It's way over there. I don't care. I'm going for it. I'm so smart. Wait, where the hell am I? Where's the way out? There it is. Ah. Nope. Never, never, ever, 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 ever again am I going back there. During my episodes this mansion I find myself in, this other life saddens me. It feels familiar, as I've been here before, but it's cold and lonesome, and it's hopeless and despair. It is insanity. I don't want to return, and I am afraid of becoming trapped in that frightening world forever. Yep, I'm scared too. Aren't we all scared? Sue me. Never gonna copyright. Sue me. I can't. Oh yeah, it's the lag. That's why. Oh, never gonna. Do we have to go in there? I don't want to go in there. Do we have to go in there? I don't want to go in here. Is this storage room B? It is. Ooh, never gonna sue me and sue me. Never gonna copyright and sue me. I don't know who made this, but it looks exactly like my mic, except it's so cute, isn't it? Here's my mic. I don't think I can say what it is. It's this. It's fairly nice, actually. I've had very nice comments about it. Oh, it sounds so nice. It doesn't sound like anymore. This looks. God. No. If you think that was pretty genuine, actually. That wasn't fake. That was not a fake cry of help. I was really not expecting him to be there. Fuck. I can't see anything. Excuse me for a second. Yep, there we go. I'll turn it back down once I get some. There we go. Is there any more lights I can light? There's a light. Here's a light. Is there nothing in here? What's the heck is the point of this? Oh, there's a torch. Oh, never gonna copyright. Who's walking on my... Oh, there's a box. What I meant to say was, who's walking on my roof? I can't see anything. And I'm going crazy. Is that Psycho still here? Where'd he go? Waste all the tinderbox. Am I slipping into madness? I am going crazy and I cannot use my thing. I'm gonna go. I'm slipping. I'm slipping. Yeah, I slipped. Oh no, I fell. Who could ever save me? I see a tinderbox over there. Over there, or whatever. I don't know if this. That's eerily loud. Oh, so that's why my mic's not correct. Oh, there. I don't have any oil, and what is the point of this room? Oh. So when have you started helping me? I don't want to take it too fast. He's gone. I've actually figured out that lighting them is actually worse than not lighting them, because if you light them, then your super night vision won't kick in as fast and around that area. Storage room B, I see.
How much time has passed? I feel that it has been months since I set out to enter the chapel, and yet I still cannot find my way.
Exactly.
I have seen so much of this accursed place in my bid to escape. Sewers, storage rooms, mechanical doors and contraptions. My efforts with the machinery of this castle make me feel like it's an organism that is sustained by my feeble attempts to free myself of its clutches. I'm very much a part of this place.
Yes, you are. Can I move these? Up, down, down, up. Oh my! Oh, I took a memento of it. Why is it sound cutting out? There he is. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, I went the wrong way! There we go, I made it. Don't worry about me, people. Damn it! I just turned completely around. I have 3 phases. Ah, you missed. Fuck, he's still after me. Sorry for swearing. Don't sue me. I mean, you can't sue for swearing. I mean, it'll be looked down upon, but I don't think you can sue for it. Fuck you. Pro dodge. Watch this not be the right way. Oh, it is. Sue me now, or kill me. Okay, as soon as this loads in, I'm going to end it here, because I don't know how much. Oh, just let it respond. Just let it respond. Did I mess it up? I might have messed it up. I might just have messed it up. Oh, good. Okay, now back to the chapel. Where the hell that is? There, it's over here. So I got my rods, I got my crowbar, I got my key, and the lever thingies. Let's not use this so it won't use as much RAM. Oh, I played the worst lagging custom story ever on Saturday. Or 2 days ago. It was just terrible. Okay, see ya.